Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I wanted to share with you a beautiful place I visited earlier this 2021. I'm so excited to show you this awesome place. Calell Beach in Spain is absolutely stunning. So don't forget to like this video and write your comment down below if you want to join me on a virtual walking tour of Calell Beach. Let's start with the beach itself. It's a truly beautiful place to relax during hot summer days and take a break away. The golden sand, the crystal clear waters, and the breathtaking sunset, it's everything that you need for a perfect day. If you are looking for more fun, you can find plenty of beach bars and restaurants at Calell Beach that offer delicious cocktails, salads, and seafood dinners. To explore more of the area than just the beach itself, why not take a stroll around the pier? It is a great spot for some stunning photo ops and also for a romantic stroll. Here you can find more restaurants and bars, as well as some cozy little shops to visit. Or, if you are searching for something a bit more adventurous, why not take a boat trip and explore some of the island's hidden gems? There are plenty of hidden coves and bays that offer stunning views, and you can even spot some of the area's wildlife. All in all, Calell Beach is a stunning location, and I really recommend that you visit it when you can. Take this virtual walking tour with me and let me show you some of the fantastic places that you can find at Calell Beach. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my newest videos, and if you've enjoyed this one, then don't hesitate to leave a comment and like this video too. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!